बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम अपना लेक्चर 20 करेंगे। हम लोग चैप्टर 5 कर रहे थे, इंट्रोडक्शन एंड जियोग्राफिकल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम। आज हम पढ़ेंगे डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ जियोग्राफिकल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम के डिटर्मिनेशन क्या कौन कौन से होते हैं जो जियोग्राफिकल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम के। सबसे पहले है सैलरी शेल बी पाकिस्तान सोर्स ऑफ इनकम इन विच के अब आगे कि जो सैलरी सैलरी जो है पाकिस्तान सोर्स ऑफ इनकम होनी चाहिए कि उसके जो सोर्सेज है वो पाकिस्तान में होने चाहिए। इज़ रिसीव फ्रॉम एनी एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सरसाइज प्लेस ऑफ rendering of services in Pakistan whenever paid, and the second one is salary should be Pakistan source of income in which is paid by on the behalf of federal government, provisional government, local government in Pakistan whenever the employment is exercised place of rendering of services. Next one is the rental income shall be Pakistan source of income if it is derived from the lease of immovable property in Pakistan, including a right explorer for or exploit natural sources in Pakistan for owner to immovable property. Any gain from the alienation of any property or rights. ये आपको पहले भी बताया गया है कि the rental income is the from or from the alienation of any share in company, the assets of which consist wholly or partially or principally, directly, indirectly of property is shall be the Pakistan source of income. Business income of resident person, जो business income है resident person की, shall be Pakistan source of income to extent to which the income is derived from any business carried on in Pakistan. Business income of non-resident person कि जो बिजनेस इनकम है नॉन रेजिडेंट पर्सन की शेल बी पाकिस्तान सोर्स ऑफ इनकम विच इज़ डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली एट्रीब्यूटेबल टू a parliamentary establishment of non-resident person in Pakistan, sale in Pakistan of good merchandise of the same or similar kind as sold by a person through a permanent establishment in Pakistan, other businesses activities carried in Pakistan of the same and similar kind of those affected by non-resident through a permanent establishment in Pakistan, any business connected in Pakistan. Next one is the dividend shall be Pakistan source of income. Dividend shall be Pakistan source of income होना चाहिए if it is paid by resident company कि ये पे करे resident company और dividend for remittance of after tax profit of a branch of foreign company operating in Pakistan other than the branch of petroleum exploration and production. Next one is the profit on debt shall be Pakistan source of income if it is paid by resident person except where the royalty is payable in respect of any rights, property or information used or services utilized for the purpose of businesses carried on the residential outside of Pakistan through a permanent establishment or the grown by a permanent establishment in Pakistan for of a non-resident person. And a royalty shall be Pakistan's source of income if it is paid by resident person except where the royalty is payable in the respect of any right, property, information or services carried on resident outside Pakistan through a permanent establishment. Next one, a pension and annuity shall be Pakistan's source of income if it is paid by resident and the owner of permanent establishment in Pakistan of non-resident person. Any gain is rising in the on the disposable of shares in a resident company shall be Pakistan source of income. मैं सारे उन्होंने वो सारे डिटर्मिनेंट्स बताए हुए हैं कि जो जो पाकिस्तान सोर्स ऑफ इनकम में आए, कि जो जो पाकिस्तान में कमाया जा रहा है, जो मतलब जो इसकी पाकिस्तान की इकॉनमी में इनकम में शो होते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज द टेक्निकल फी शेल बी पाकिस्तान सोर्स ऑफ इनकम इफ इट इज़ पे. जो टेक्निकल फ़ी है वो भी पाकिस्तान सोर्स ऑफ इनकम हो इफ अगर if it is paid by a resident person के वो resident person pay per aspect where the fee is payable in the respect of services utilized in the business carried on by the resident outside of Pakistan through a permanent establishment or abroad by the permanent establishment in Pakistan of non-resident person. Next one is the fee of offshore digital services shall be Pakistan source of income if it is paid by resident person aspect where the fee is payable in the respect of services utilized in the businesses carried on by the resident outside Pakistan through a permanent establishment or by a permanent establishment in Pakistan of non-resident person. Next one is the any gain rising on the disposable of shares in a resident company shall be Pakistan source of income. Next one is any gain rising in the disposable of share in a resident company shall be Pakistan source of income. Any amount paid on the account of insurance or reinsurance premium by an insurance company to an overseas insurance or non or reinsurance company shall be deemed to be Pakistan source of income. Any amount not mentioned above के अब ये कोई जो पहले अमाउंट जो पहले मेंशन ना हुई हो shall be Pakistan source of income if it is paid by resident person or borne by the permanent establishment in Pakistan of non-resident person where the amount may be deal with Pakistan source of income businesses income of non-resident and under any other above section by first determining whether the amount is the Pakistan source of income, and if amount is not Pakistani source of income under this section, then determining whether it is Pakistan source of income. And the last one is the source income. Foreign source, and the amount shall be foreign source of income to extent to which it is not Pakistan source of income. जो foreign source of income डेफिनेटली पाकिस्तानी source of income में नहीं आती. इसके बाद एक एग्जांपल है आपके नोट्स में, आप उसको एक दफ़ा देख लें, उसमें कोई इतनी ख़ास बात नहीं है. सिंपली उसमें बताया हुआ है पाकिस्तान, इंडिया, बांग्लादेश एंड सिंगापुर की जो है पे जो लोगों की पे है, उसके बाद हाउस रेंट, यूटिलिटीज़, मेडिकल रीइंबर्समेंट बताई गई है, और सारा उसको जस्ट कंपेयर किया गया है. लोकेशन वाइज मंथली सैलरी को इसमें जस्ट कंपेयर किया गया. ये आप देख लें, इसका सोल्यूशन भी इसके साथ ही है. आज के लिए इतना ही है. फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में इंशाल्लाह थोड़ा सा ये 5th चैप्टर रह गया है. नेक्स्ट में हम इंशाल्लाह 6 स्टार्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू.